When the supply chains break, having the right gear makes all the real difference. We are even talking about a life or death difference. So I urge you to get your prepping on and focus on getting these things before it's too late. These are 20 prepping items you should not live without. Number 20, the Silcock key. Most people have no idea what this metal cross is. A Silcock key is a 4-way wrench used to open commercial water spigots on the exterior of strip malls or office buildings. They use tamper-proof valves, not standard handles. In a grid-down urban scenario, this gives you immediate access to thousands of gallons of trapped water inside municipal pipes. It's cheap hydration insurance. Number 19, contractor trash bags. Do not confuse these with flimsy kitchen bags. We are talking about 3 mil thick, heavy-duty black contractor bags. Their utility is endless. You can use them to seal a broken window, build a waterproof shelter, create an emergency poncho, or manage human waste if the city sewage system backs up. They are incredibly tough, puncture-resistant, and take up practically no space in a backpack. Number 18, physical topographical maps. We are entirely too dependent on GPS. When cell towers lose power, smartphone mapping apps become completely useless. You need waterproof, tear-resistant topographical maps of your immediate region. You need to know the elevation changes, natural water sources, and alternative backroads that don't show up on standard highway maps. Navigating local terrain without a digital signal is an absolute foundational survival skill. Number 17, quick clot combat gauze. A standard first aid kit is great for scraped knees, but useless for severe trauma. Quick clot gauze is infused with a hemostatic agent that accelerates your blood's clotting process on contact. If someone suffers a severe laceration, packing the wound with this gauze can stop arterial bleeding in minutes. It is a critical piece of medical gear used by the military. Get it today. Number 16, standard Bic lighters. Flint and steel look really cool on television, but when your hands are freezing and you need a fire right now, nothing beats a standard Bic lighter. They are cheap, incredibly reliable, and hold their fuel for years. Buy them in bulk packs. Even if you don't smoke, they become one of the most valuable bartering tools during a prolonged blackout. Number 15, heirloom seeds. If grocery stores stay empty, you must grow your own calories. You cannot just buy regular hybrid seeds from the hardware store. Hybrid plants often produce sterile seeds. You must stockpile non-GMO heirloom seeds. Heirloom crops produce viable seeds that you can harvest, dry, and replant year after year, creating an infinite food loop. Keep them cool and dark until needed. Number 14, Sawyer Squeeze water filter. Boiling water takes massive amounts of fuel. Pumping water through a mechanical filter is exhausting. The Sawyer Squeeze is a lightweight, gravity-fed filter that removes virtually all harmful bacteria. You just fill up the attached pouch at a river, screw on the filter, and squeeze clean water directly into your bottle. It is the undisputed king of portable water purification. Number 13, small denomination cash. If the power grid drops, every credit card machine and ATM on the planet goes totally dark. Electronic wealth means absolutely nothing if the internet is down. You need a solid stash of physical cash, specifically in 1s, 5s, and 10s. If you try to buy a loaf of bread from a neighbor with a $100 bill, nobody will have change. Number 12, 550 paracord. True 550 paracord has a breaking strength of 550 pounds and contains 7 inner nylon strands. It is the ultimate survival cordage. You can rig a tarp shelter, hoist food into a tree, or build a makeshift splint. You can even pull the thin inner strands out to use as emergency fishing line or highly durable sewing thread for repairing gear. Number 11, high-quality can opener. You can stockpile 1,000 cans of food, but if your dollar store can opener snaps in half on day 2, you are going to be miserable. Prying cans open with a knife is dangerous and dulls your blade. You need an all-metal, heavy-duty manual can opener like an Easy Does It. It sounds ridiculously basic, but it is the gatekeeper to your food. Number 10, heavy-duty tarps. Tarps are the duct tape of the outdoor survival world. If a brutal storm rips shingles off your roof, a heavy-duty tarp keeps freezing rain out of your living room. They provide instant ground cover, conceal your gear, and can funnel rainwater into a bucket. Get the thickest, highest quality canvas or heavy polyethylene tarps you can find with reinforced metal grommets. Number 9. N95 respirator masks. Whether it is a heavy wildfire season blanketing the region in smoke, a nasty viral outbreak, or toxic dust stirred up after an earthquake, protecting your lungs is non-negotiable. Standard cloth masks do absolutely nothing to filter hazardous microscopic particulates. You need a stockpile of genuine N95 respirators. They are cheap to buy in bulk and sit perfectly fine in a closet. Number 8. Portable solar panels. We rely heavily on rechargeable gear, from radios to flashlights. When wall outlets stop working, a foldable solar panel becomes your infinite power plant. You don't need a massive roof array. A high-quality 20-watt folding panel keeps your communication devices fully charged day after day. Hook it directly to a sturdy power bank, and you have electricity to last all night. Number 7. Rechargeable Eneloop batteries. Standard alkaline batteries have a nasty habit of leaking corrosive acid and destroying your expensive gear. Plus, once they die, they are literal garbage. Panasonic Eneloop batteries are the gold standard because they hold their charge for up to 10 years and recharge over 2,000 times. Pair these with a solar panel and you have a completely self-sustaining energy loop. Number 6. Gorilla Tape. Standard duct tape is okay, but Gorilla Tape is a completely different monster. It is incredibly thick, highly weather-resistant, and sticks aggressively to rough, uneven surfaces like wood and brick. If you need to quickly patch a cracked window, repair a leaking water jug, or mend a torn tarp in a heavy rainstorm, this tape holds firmly under extreme physical pressure. Number 5. Cast iron skillet. Teflon pans are toxic and completely melt if you put them over a real fire. If you are cooking over an open flame, a campfire, or a wood stove, you absolutely must have a cast iron skillet. It is virtually indestructible. Cast iron retains heat brilliantly, making it fuel efficient, and if properly oiled, it lasts for multiple generations of constant use. Number 4. Cat tourniquet. In a chaotic disaster scenario, severe injuries happen fast. If someone accidentally slices an artery while clearing debris with an axe, they can bleed to death in under 3 minutes. A genuine combat application tourniquet is designed to be applied with one hand to completely shut off arterial blood flow. Do not buy cheap internet knockoffs. The windlasses snap under intense pressure. Number 3. Complete multivitamins. Survival diets are notoriously boring and nutritionally lacking. If you are living off white rice, dried beans, and canned goods for 3 months, you will develop severe vitamin deficiencies. Stockpiling large bottles of high-quality, comprehensive multivitamins ensures your immune system stays strong and your body operates at peak efficiency, even when your diet consists of the exact same bland emergency rations. Number 2. Heavy bolt cutters. This is the ultimate escape and evasion tool. In a severe crisis, chains and padlocks can become deadly traps. If you need to quickly evacuate an area or get through a chained gate during a massive gridlock evacuation, a solid pair of 24-inch bolt cutters makes you unstoppable. They require absolutely no electricity, just simple mechanical leverage, slicing padlocks like hot butter. Number 1. Unscented bar soap. Infection and poor hygiene have killed more people throughout human history than actual starvation. When the water stops flowing, keeping your body and your cooking gear clean becomes a massive challenge. Liquid soap is mostly water and runs out fast. Hard, unscented bar soap lasts forever, takes up minimal space, and works brilliantly for washing hands, cleaning wounds, and scrubbing cast iron.